Hey guys, I'm David and welcome to Out of Box Collector, where we unbox and review different kinds of collectibles. Today I have another Funko Pop vinyl figure to review for you guys. This is the Sentai Genji from Overwatch. So this is the Blizzard exclusive. So let's unbox the figure. This is the front. As you can see, it has a very nice sticker on it. So it's a shimmering Funko Blizzard exclusive. This is the side. This is the back. It shows the latest wave of pops from Overwatch. It's the other side, so it shows the photo of the figure. So this is the top, and this is the bottom. So let's open the pop. Okay, I can see a big base. Okay, man, this pop looks absolutely great. Okay, it comes with a very big base, so as you can see, it's as big as my palm. And man, it looks fantastic. It looks so awesome. Okay, I won't put him on the base first, but it actually can stand on its own very well. Okay, and this figure looks amazing. You can see his Japanese inspired helmet. It looks like that it came from a Japanese a show like Bioman or Mask Rider Black, if you're familiar with those shows, or the Power Rangers, something like that. So anyway, you can see this big flashing effect from his sword. It's green, so it looks like that it shows the energy that came out from his sword when he's slashing. And I really love this effect. It looks so nice. So the body, let me see if I can focus on that. Okay, the body looks great. His armor looks amazing. His costume actually looks fantastic. Everything about this figure looks amazing, by the way. It's not in metallic green, but it's okay. It's in a shiny, it has this shiny green paint with a piano black finish on the visor of his helmet, together with the other black parts of his costume. You can see his scarf and the two blades and the two swords sheath that he has on the back and on his waist. Everything about this figure looks awesome. If you're a fan of Overwatch, I highly recommend this figure. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. It will really mean so much to us if you do so, if you want to support the channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'm David once again. And don't forget to free your pops, unbox your toys.